Email verification failed on Robinhood Fix. If your Robinhood account isn't verifying your email, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's a technical glitch, when often the issue is something simple, like an outdated email address or a filtered verification message. The surprising truth is that with a few careful steps, you can fix this quickly and securely. Step 1. Check your email inbox, including spam, junk, and promotions folders. Robinhood verification emails sometimes get automatically filtered. Make sure you're looking at the correct email account linked to your Robinhood profile. Step 2. Ensure that your email provider is not blocking emails from Robinhood. If you use Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook, check your filters and safe sender lists. Adding notifications to Robinhood come to your contacts can prevent future filtering issues. Step 3. If you still haven't received the verification email, go back to the Robinhood app or website and request a new verification link. Avoid requesting multiple links in a short period, as this can temporarily lock your verification process. Step 4. If the issue persists, confirm that your account email is correct. Sometimes users accidentally registered with an old or misspelled email. Updating your email through Robinhood support with proper identification like your full name and date of birth can help resolve this. Once verified, store your credentials safely and consider enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security and ensures future verification emails arrive promptly. Following these steps ensures your Robinhood account is verified smoothly, allowing you to continue trading without interruptions. Proper email management and verification are crucial for account security and access.